Hello and welcome to this breaking news story. Welcome to the official launching event of Freelance's marketplace, GovaBoss. Although presently only available on the Android Play Store, the iOS version is under development and will be released very soon. GovaBoss will offer a wide range of freelance and other related services for the mostly unemployed and average people. They will connect service buyers, service consumers, and service sellers, service providers through their online marketplace platform. GovaBoss are set to service a wide range of services since they already have a very strong online presence. A few examples of what we mean by service providers: website builders, designers, software developers, graphic designers, hairstylists, ICT experts, makeup artists, event planners and caterers, etc. The platform effectively connects startups and enterprises to a global pool of top freelancers, tech talents to full-stack developers and software engineers. All the freelancers in the directory are top tier, making it easy for companies to hire the best of the best. They help thousands of people find great jobs and love what they do every day by offering the best freelancers job opportunities. GovaBoss believes in the power of a flexible workforce, temporary talent, extended workforce, contingent labour and contractors. From all available statistics, it is safe to say the online freelance business is growing steadily, despite the competitive nature of the industry. One thing is certain: if you are well positioned and have the required business skills, network and good testimonials from clients, you may likely not have to struggle to compete favourably on the online freelance service industry. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to the Google Play Store and download the app and make money like a boss. GovaBoss. Work from anywhere, earn from everywhere.
She want to be